Hello and welcome to my channel, The Craft Show. I hope you all are doing great. First of all, very sorry. Due to some personal reasons, I couldn't make videos for a long time, but I read all the comments you have written and tried to answer as per my understanding. I felt so inspired to come back once again because of your love and patience that you have showed me. So today's craft is a 12 pointed mandala which I made for my friend for her housewarming gift. This is the first time I'm making this 12 pointed mandala. So for that we would need 6 dowels, that is 3 pairs, and mark the center and tie the yarn tightly. I had someone complaining that it was falling apart, so for that I think the center was not secured properly, and weaving should also be tight enough. Do not weave the yarn loosely on the dowels, so it will fall apart and won't look nice. It was also one of my first mistakes too. The first mandala I did was not tightly secured and it was very loose, and the designs did not come out very nicely, so it was not looking good. Then start making the square by going round all the 4 sides. So we will have 3 squares ready. Then I have used my mandala tool to hold them in place for a easy weaving. For this design I have used these 4 shades of blue. So I'll take the first, the most lightest shade among all of them, and then I will make arrow shaped around the squares so that it separates the main design from the center. So for that I will just go around on the opposite sides of each towel, as you can see, and just turn around and again go on the opposite sides. So it's very simple. This will continue with all the other 6 sides like this. It's done now. Now I will repeat this with the center color, that is the cream color. Now since the center is secured properly, I have taken it out from the mandala tool, and then I will start again with the lightest shade of blue, and I will do triangles. So I will go around every 4th dowel. Since there is 12 of them, so I will go around every 4th dowel to make a triangle. So one triangle is complete. I have used it 5 rounds of each color. Then I have taken the next shade and I'll start from the next towel, leaving the one I have already used in my first triangle. So So with this color I'll repeat the triangle. I'll do again 5 rounds. Now it's complete. With the third shade again I'll go on to the next towel that is not used, that I haven't used for the triangle, and then make the triangles again for 5 rounds. Now the last shade and the final uh, first round will be with the last shade. First round is complete. Now I will start with the lightest shade of blue again, but this time I will go on to the next dowel uh, for the light shade. So every time I will shift the colors to the next dowel, the same colors to the next dowel. So the light blue will come on the next dowel here, and next time when I'll do the third round, it will come to the next dowel. If you have any difficulty understanding, please let me know in the comment section. I am trying to explain you as clearly as I can. If you still do not understand, please write to me. I will be more than happy to help you understand this. It's a very simple trick, but it will give a very nice effect, and it will feel like the colors are swirling around the circle. So done with my light blue, then the next shade will go on to the next dowel again. And this will keep on repeating. So here you can see all the shades are moving forward on the dowel. This is just the second round. I will keep on doing this many rounds. If you follow the darkest blue, then you'll see that it is moving. So it will go on to the next and next dowels. Now you can see the colors moving in the clockwise, anti-clockwise direction. If you follow the dark blue color, then you can see how the color is moving in an anti-clockwise direction from the center. So I have repeated it many times. And then when I come to the end of the dowel, then I will just finish off by going around each dowel, create a loop for hanging the mandala, and then cover up the extra space as I always do in my mandalas. I hope you have enjoyed this video crafting with me. Please reach out to me if you have any queries. I will try to answer to the best of my capabilities. Nothing gives me more pleasure and satisfaction than crafting and creating. I will come up with more different crafting videos in the future. Stay connected and happy crafting. Bye bye.